Café en el campo. Ojalá que llueva. Café en el campo. See, you guys are great. Why don't you? It's perfect. We're gonna make this, David Campos. We're gonna win this. So, ojalá que llueva café en el campo. Very good. I don't hear much noise over here. What's happening over here on this side? A ver, the people on this side. Ojalá que llueva. There we go. Okay, so we can do this, right? What was that? And that means, I hope it rains coffee in the fields. That just means we hope that we have abundance, and we will. If we sing together, we will. So let's hope for good things to happen. That's what this song is about. So here we go.